There's a big old hawk up there in that tree right there. And some crows don't like it. Good morning, Monday, January 22nd, 2024. Out here bird watching. We're out here at Warriors Pass State Park today. This here's a Cedar Ridge hammock campground. We've got posts set up in there so you can put your hammock up. It's a nice, pleasant 33 degrees out here today. All this week, I think the highs are going to be up in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. So I think all the snow is going to be melting off this week. There's a little view of the lake down there. Here at Warriors Pass State Park, located in beautiful Kingsport, Tennessee. There's a bird that can walk on water right there. I think that's an American coot right there. Diving for his breakfast today. Hello. Let's see you dive. There he goes. Where he comes up, nobody knows. There he goes. There he's back up. Have some birds out there. Well, we got some things floating in the water here closer. From here with the naked eye, they look like mallards. And then farther on, sitting on the ice out there, looks like some seagulls. Here's a closer view of the lake, all frozen along the edges here. This is that tree where that belted kingfisher's always at, but he's not here today. Some little bird up there way at the top of those trees there. Can't see what it is from here. Kind of looking like a chickadee. There was a cardinal right there. He just flew over the hill right down in there. There he is. Blue jays are up there hollering. One of those killdeers down there. Over there, some Canadian geese. Some mallards down there. Scrounging for something to eat. There's the marina over there. Bunch of gulls sitting there on the ice. A couple cardinals over here in this bush over here. Some chickadees in this tree right here. This is a really big tree right here. Wonder how old that thing is. Up here where I guess these are the old, they have some old concrete up here, like this used to be campsites or picnic area up here, but they've since built new picnic areas, I guess. There's an old grill or fire pit. Not sure what that once was there. And then there's another concrete platform over there. Doesn't look like anybody's been playing volleyball lately. No tracks in the snow. Some kind of diving duck out there. Can't really tell what they are. I don't think they're American coots. They don't look like pie-billed grebes, so maybe it's something I'm just unfamiliar with. That one there has a little tail that's sticking up. There's some deer over there walking up the side of that, I want to say hill, but it's more like a cliff. Very steep hill. I'm counting 4 deer I see. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for walking along. Hope you have a great day. Roger, over and out. A lying tradesman will tell you that no man can thrive and be honest in these days of keen competition. How can such a man know this, seeing that he has never tried honest? Moreover, such a man has no knowledge of honesty, and his statement is therefore a statement of ignorance, and ignorance and falsehood so blind a man that he foolishly imagines all are as ignorant and false as himself. I have known such tradesmen, and have seen them come to ruin. I once heard a businessman make the following statement in a public meeting: no man can be entirely honest in business. He can only be approximately honest. He imagined that his statement revealed the condition of the business world. It did not. It revealed his own condition. He was merely telling his audience that he was a dishonest man, but his ignorance, moral ignorance, prevented him from seeing this. Approximate honesty is only another term for dishonesty. The man who deviated a little from the straight path will deviate more. He has no fixed principle of right and is only thinking of his own advantage. That he persuades himself that his particular dishonesty is of a white and harmless kind, and that he is not so bad as his neighbor, is only the many forms of self-delusion which ignorance of moral principles creates. Right doing between man and main in the varied relations and transactions of life is the very soul of integrity. It includes, but is more than, honesty. It is the backbone of human society and the support of human institutions. Without it, there would be no trust, no confidence between men, and the business world would topple to its fall. As the liar thinks all men are liars and treats them as such, so the man of integrity treats all men with confidence. He trusts them, and they trust him. His clear eye and open hand shame the creeping fraud, so that he cannot practice his fraud on him. As Emerson so finely put it, Trust men, and they will be true to you, even though they make an exception in your favor to all their rules of trade. The upright man is, by his very presence, commands the morality of those about him, making them better than they were. Men are powerfully influenced by one another, and as good is more powerful than evil, the strong and good man both shames and elevates by his contact the weak and bad. The man of integrity carries about him an unconscious grandeur which both awes and inspires. Having lifted himself above the petty, the mean, and the false, those coward vices slink from his presence in confusion. The highest intellectual gift cannot compare with this lofty moral grandeur. In the memory of men and the estimation of the world, the man of integrity occupies a higher place than the man of genius. Buckminster says, "The moral grandeur of an independent integrity is the sublimest thing in nature. It is the quality in man which produces heroes. The man of unswerving rectitude is, intrinsically, always a hero. It only needs the occasion to bring out the heroic element. He is always, too, possessed a permanent happiness. The man of genius may be very unhappy, but not to the man of integrity. Nothing, nor sickness, nor calamity, nor death can deprive him of that permanent satisfaction which inheres in uprightness."